Alrighty, going back to another episode, and today we'll be playing, clearly, we'll be playing Minecraft. I have, I think, probably a few things to show you. I don't really know where I left off last time. Wow! If you don't know that, then you're new. Alright, let's see what we're doing. Use a bed to set your respawn point during the day. What about during the night? Isn't that where most people die, is during the night? Alrighty, here we go. Yes, I built steel doors because if I'm not mistaken, I've been playing on hard. Let me see. And I think that they'll keep from breaking, so. Then I used a whole bunch of redstone, that's why there's 2 iron things right there. Oh, that didn't work. I just wanted to use redstone because I watched a video. Well, I played on this world as like redstone basics or something, and it taught me how to use redstone because I was completely lost in what everything does with redstone. So yeah. So I'm thinking about making a redstone farm. Oh my god, I have so much. Stupid. Really? Okay. We have to go clear out my inventory, so what else? Nothing else. Okay. Actually, we might just make another chest for redstone. Then we have an extra chest, of course not. There. Take it, and then whatever, just give me all the redstone, we'll make an extra chest. Alright. I shall come back for the rest. Just make a small chest. There. Some more redstone. Now we got that covered, now we want levers. Should those just go in here? I mean, I do have buttons too. What is this? Alright, yeah, so we'll just throw the lever in here too. The lever. And here we'll take these. I got texted. Where does it say? What a loser. My friend just texted me and said that he quit working out because we don't know if we're going to wrestle this year in school. What kind of loser does that? Hey, what else is there? That's a lot of cobblestone. Oh, leather. Duh. Alright, rest goes in my fridge upstairs. Nice, perfect. No, it's not, never mind. This comes here, this will go with the chickens. Now we're gonna get some bread. Nice, finally a decent amount of bread. Oh. Ooh, these are getting tall. Sup, horse? Now we can finally. Oh, yeah, this is how it goes. Now we have all this. Let's wait. I need to replant it. Forgot about that part. I know you guys are all probably freaking out about the fact that I have patches that I jumped on, but just leave me alone, okay? I don't really care anymore. There. Hope, hope, hope. Garden, 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 garden. You little turd, I will kill you. My jolly, holly, jolly Christmas this year. Do 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 do. Let me out. Do do do. Oh, whoops! It's not Christmas time. You what's up, my homies? You what's up? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mixed burgers. Alrighty, you want some burgers? You want some more, huh? Give me more babies. Give me more babies. Baby, yeah. I don't think anybody else is making babies for me, so I'm gonna pick up the eggs and blah. Why are they coming up here as I'm doing this? Dude, I was here first. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's nighttime. Come and get me, you filthy. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Turn down. I got another text message. Yes. Let's continue. Boom. Boom. boom, 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 boom. Watch this, guys. I can do a flip. Fwah! Pretty sick. How many books we got? 0. Alright, we do need leather. And what else? Well, we're about to make paper, so nice. Okay. 6 books, really? That's a lot. Two bookshelves. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby. Boom. Looking good. Looking good. Now what's next? I put this away, and now let's go make some food. Alrighty, now that we have just about gone caught up with everything, we can now start making our video. Wow, nothing. Amazing. It's just a big hole. Look at it. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Watch it. I may never go in there again. My name's Alex. Boom. Boom. Give me your letter. Your leather. Alright, watch this. I can do a backflip, right? I broke my ankle. We need more tools. A whole lot more tools. Not redstone. Did I say redstone? Yeah, alright. Need iron tools. Thank you very much. Alright, what do we need to make? We can make axe and shovel. Oof. These are what I used the most when I was making my redstone stuff. I had to shovel out my dirt and shovel out the wood in my house. And we have like, oh wow, we have a unused sword and an unused pickaxe. Someone tell me how these things work. I've tried to light it off in my house and it just didn't work. I got so sad. So I know that video was basically just me gardening and doing what I do to get ready when I play. But this was mainly to show you this, even though it's not very cool. I just press a button and boom, I'm in. I just wanted to use redstone. I know this isn't redstone, but I couldn't make them both work. But thank you for watching my video again. I hope to see you all next time, and I hope to have more subscribers, more views, and everything that a YouTuber could wish for. Bye.